And just like that, we are off. So find yourself a good screwdriver and bucket of nerves in reserve, and you just start the process. Small bit by bit, you know, don't hurry, it needs to be just small pushes, small pushes all around. If you go too hard, you will bend the part that you can see when you put it back on bike, so you need to be here very careful. It's much easier on some bikes as they don't have this type of rings, this type of plastic on tachometer, but on these ones, yeah, it's very tedious, but can be done. Okay. At some moment you will hit the spot for the last, you know. See, when you can put the screwdriver between the edge, then you go with, you know, thousands of small pushes around it to smoothen the surface of the edge as much as possible, and you need to be very, you know, careful to be just a small notches, and then you got to this where you can almost remove it. Motherfucker. Let's now try. Oh, motherfucker. I've put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. And just like that, we are off. I really don't know what the fuck was this inside, but now we can clean. We will brush a little bit this, just to have, and brush this edge, so we can then again, you know, put it back and press this around it. We didn't damage the ring here, and that's nice. And yeah, is this the job you don't want to do nervous? Yes, as it took me some, I'll tell you now, yeah, some hour, around hour to do this. So yeah, but question, can it be done? Yes, it can.
It all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory. tried. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property. Remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I've put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I tried so hard and got so far. It starts with I don't know why it doesn't
And yeah, this tool is great for this purpose. So you take the punch tool and start with very low angle and then rise up, tapping around. Let me show you just a sec. You get edge like this, so you can notice that someone opened this, of course, but you cannot notice difference, especially when this rubber comes here. This is open one and this is not open one, so yeah, there is no difference. So yeah, but it took me some maybe 2 hours for all this, and now we have clean and functional tachometer that will just replace this one and put the new one on. So this is the end result. Everything is fitted on bike, sits very nicely. I need to remove the headlight and almost all front end just to slip this in, but that's the way it is. Now it's connected. I cannot test it in front of you because there's no carbs on bike, but let's hope everything is fine now. That's it. Hope this helps someone. See you guys.